how is Ramayana relevant or important in normal person's day-to-day life?
What is the relevance of Ramayana in our day-to-day life today? The word meaning of Ramayana is the path of Ram, the path on which Bhagwan Ram walked. So values are eternal, universal. Bhagwan Ram walked the path of dharma, which is values, anchored in values. He was anchored in his duties as a person. He played the role of a son, of a brother, of a husband, of a friend, of even an enemy in a very ideal way. So we will get lot of role clarity from him. In case of Bharat, when Bharat asked him to come back and rule, he says, no, as a son, my duty is to fulfill my father's promise without compromise. So role clarity we will get. Goal clarity also we will get. Today, many people don't have clarity about what is the goal in life, what is the goal of life itself. If we read Ramayana, goals become very, very clear. Moral clarity, what is right, what is wrong. Rising above my emotions, I should be able to see what is right and what is wrong and take a decision. Emotions are a great strength. You see Ramji's life. In Valmiki Ramayana, Ram is a human being. He goes through fear. He goes through pains of separation. He goes through suspicion. He goes through jealousy. He goes through anger. But he doesn't compromise from dharma. That is what Ramayana is, that we will as human beings go through all emotions. How to be still anchored in what is right. How to not be influenced. Swami Chinmayananji, my guru, he used to say that, let not the storms of your heart cover the sun in your head. And soul clarity, who am I? Ramayana is a journey to know who am I truly. So it is very, very relevant. And even if we look at the society as such, this I spoke from individual standpoint, but even from a society standpoint, how to put the nation above the self, how to ensure that we are inclusive. See, Bhagwan Ram's friends, who were they? There is Guha, who is Nishad Raj, who is a tribal chief. He meets Shabri, he meets saints and sages. There are bears, there are monkeys, there are all types of people. He doesn't live in the palace and as a royalty or as just some exclusive. He doesn't live like that. He lives with everybody together, common, includes everybody. And for those people, he is ready to sacrifice even his personal comfort. So those values as a society also of inclusiveness, of transparency, of having integrity in thought, word and deed, living what we preach, all those are very powerful, and Ramayana that way is very, very relevant even in today's times.